Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to install Llama 3.2 locally on Windows 11. To achieve this, our first step is to download and install Ollama, which is an open source platform that lets you run large language models right on your machine. In the second step, we'll use Ollama to pull and run Llama 3.2. Let's dive into step 1. Open up your web browser, head over to Google, type in Ollama, and hit enter. Click on the first result to pull up the official website, ollama.com. Since we're targeting a Windows environment, let's click directly on the main download button. The download option for Windows will appear, so go ahead and click Download for Windows. The download will kick off, pulling down a 664 megabytes installation file, so let's give it a quick moment to finish. Once the setup file has downloaded completely, right-click on the executable and select Open to launch the installation wizard. We can minimize the browser window now. When the installer screen pops up, simply click Install and let the setup script install Ollama onto your machine. Now that the core service is up, let's head down to the Start menu, type in CMD, and open up the command prompt. To verify the installation, type Ollama and press Enter. Seeing this complete list of operational flags and options means the engine is ready to go. With Ollama verified, we're now ready to install Llama 3.2. To initialize a model, we use the core run command, which follows the syntax Ollama run followed by the model name. In our case, we'll type Ollama run llama. You can actually cross-reference this directly on the official site by clicking on the model section at the top, selecting the Llama 3.2 card by Meta and scrolling down. You'll see the exact same string mapped out in their documentation. Switch back over to your command prompt window, input the command, and hit enter. Ollama will begin fetching the manifest and downloading the layers. You can see the package size is roughly 2 gigabytes, so let's sit tight while it streams down to our local environment. And there we go, the download is complete, and you'll see a success confirmation right before being dropped into an interactive terminal chat interface. You can immediately begin submitting prompts to your local model. Let's test it out by asking what is generative AI, and pressing enter. The model immediately starts streaming out the response completely offline. You now have a fully operational instance of Llama 3.2 running on your system. And that is all there is to it. We successfully installed Ollama, deployed Llama 3.2, and verified its output with a live query. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.